Are you looking for the best handheld steamer to suit your needs? Look no further. This post has compiled a list of the best handheld steamers on the market today based on factors such as ease of use, performance, and portability. From the Hilife Handheld Garment Steamer to the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Steamer, each one offers unique advantages that are sure to make your garment care experience more enjoyable. So whether you're looking for a compact steamer for small items, a powerful steamer for large items, or a steamer with both power and portability, you're sure to find the perfect handheld steamer on this list. Have you found the handheld steamer you're looking for? Don't hesitate to click the link in the description for more details about the product. More videos just like this one? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hilife Handheld Garment Steamer. First on the list, we have the Hilife Handheld Garment Steamer. Do you ever find yourself steaming clothes in a hurry but don't have the time or space to run an entire load of laundry? If so, you'll love the Hilife Handheld Garment Steamer. This compact steamer is perfect for quick and easy garment steaming, and it can steam up to 10 garments at a time. This steamer is lightweight and portable, making it a breeze to move around. It also has an adjustable temperature setting so that you can customize it to your needs. In addition, the removable water tank makes cleaning seamless. If you're looking for a handheld steamer that's affordable and convenient, the Hilife is a good option. With its easy-to-use design, this garment steamer is perfect for indoor and outdoor use. We have found it an excellent steamer for small to medium-sized clothes. The steamer can be used on synthetic and natural fabrics without problems. We also found that the steamer is very easy to use and is very compact, making it perfect for travel. Overall, we think the Hilife Handheld Garment Steamer is a great product, and we recommend it to anyone looking for a compact and practical garment steamer. In addition, the Hilife Handheld Garment Steamer comes with a 2-year warranty, so you can be sure you're getting a quality product. So what are you waiting for? Give the Hilife Handheld Garment Steamer a try today. Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Steamer. Next on the list is the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Steamer. Are you looking for a handheld steamer to take care of all of your steaming needs? If so, you may be interested in the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Steamer. This steamer is perfect for taking on the go, as it is small and lightweight. It also has a turbo button that maximizes the steam output for faster results. This handheld steamer is unique in design and allows for easy steam production. The Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Steamer also features an auto shutoff feature to protect the appliance from being turned on accidentally. The steamer has a 1250-watt heating element that can reach temperatures of up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit for powerful steam. We found it simple to use and perfect for on-the-go fabric steaming. The turbo feature was impressive. It made steaming clothes faster and easier than ever. In addition to its steamer features, this handheld steamer also comes with a built-in water tank and a detachable brush for easy cleaning. So if you're in the market for a handheld steamer that will handle all of your steaming needs, be sure to look at the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Steamer. ROWENTA X-CEL Handheld Fabric Steamer. Next up is the ROWENTA X-CEL Handheld Fabric Steamer. Garment steaming can be a time-consuming task, but with the ROWENTA X-CEL Handheld Fabric Steamer, the job gets a lot easier. This powerful garment steamer is excellent for quickly removing stains and odors from clothes. The ROWENTA X-CEL Fabric Steamer is an excellent choice for removing wrinkles from clothes. It uses heat and steam for the garment and has an automatic shutoff feature that prevents overheating. Additionally, the steamer is easy to use with a timer and an automatic shutoff function. It also comes with a water tank for extended usage. It also has a potent steam function so that it can remove even the most stubborn stains and odors. Additionally, the ROWENTA X-CEL is a handheld fabric steamer that is perfect for use in small spaces or on the go. It's easy to carry around, so you can steam clothes wherever you need them. So whether you need a powerful garment steamer for a large or small job, the ROWENTA X-CEL Handheld Fabric Steamer is an ideal option. JIFFY Garment Steamer with Metal Steam Head. Here we have the JIFFY J2000 Garment Steamer with metal steam head. This garment steamer offers several mouth-watering benefits. The J2000 Garment Steamer doesn't just have the longest steam run time of 100 minutes, it also steams garments at a higher power than its competitors. This garment steamer can perform just fine with all fabrics at its maximum speed. Assembling this JIFFY garment steamer is seamless, and it also makes the whole steaming experience an easy one. This handheld steamer might be a bit more pricey than others, but when it comes to design, durability, and quality, the JIFFY garment steamer stands out. With the bare-bones design, it seems like this handheld steamer is missing something. But even with no attachments, the JIFFY handheld steamer still performed nicely. The pole featured in the steamer connects firmly to the base and stands about 5 feet above the ground, a pretty good height compared to others, making the steaming process very convenient. And if you want specific attachments, with the detailed handbook, you will get to know all the available ones, ranging from crease tools to power converters. Are you someone who hates ironing and has a load of clothes to steam? The JIFFY garment steamer might be what you're looking for. Pure Enrichment Steamer. Finally, we have the Pure Enrichment Garment Steamer. Do you have extra storage to spare at home and a bunch of clothes to steam? Then you will significantly benefit from the Pure Enrichment Garment Steamer. The transparent water tank featured in this handheld steamer can hold about a half gallon of water, making it pretty convenient to use. This handheld steamer features a brush attachment, a garment hanger, a long hose, and a space for winding the cord. Also, this handheld steamer at the base features a power button that can be controlled using your foot. When it comes to steaming garments, the Pure Enrichment Garment Steamer can get rid of the wrinkles in just 2 moves. When steaming, it only takes about 2 minutes to produce steam. You can steam for as long as an hour as soon as you are all set. In addition, this handheld steamer features 4 different steam settings, which can be adjusted using a dial. Even though the steamer is a little bit pricey, the quality of performance and unbeatable features make up for this slight price increase. When it comes to handheld steamers, there are a lot of great options out there. However, to help you make an informed decision, we've highlighted the best handheld steamers available on the market. From the Hilife Handheld Garment Steamer to the ROWENTA X-CEL Handheld Fabric Steamer, each steamer has unique features that make it an excellent option for garment steaming. So what are you waiting for? Choose the handheld steamer best suited for your garment steaming needs and start steaming like a pro today.